The story of a sweet little girl named Ganya who visits the zoo for the very first time with her parents. As soon as she reaches the zoo gate, Ganya jumps with excitement and says that today will be full of fun. Inside the zoo, she looks around with wonder. First, she meets a naughty monkey who suddenly grabs her banana and starts jumping and dancing in a funny way. Instead of getting angry, Ganya laughs and asks the monkey to say hello first, so the monkey politely greets her and gives the banana back. After that, Ganya sees a colorful parrot that starts talking to her, which makes her very happy and surprised. A little further, a friendly elephant sprays water with its trunk, creating a playful and magical moment, and Ganya laughs loudly. Then she goes near the lion's enclosure and feels a little scared at first, but when the lion smiles kindly, Ganya becomes brave and praises him. At the end, Ganya watches the penguins walking and sliding in a funny way, and she claps and laughs with joy. By the end of the day, Ganya learns that love, laughter, and kindness can turn everyone into friends, making her zoo visit a beautiful and unforgettable memory.